This necklace is an absolute statement piece. I own several pieces from this brand and have verified their authenticity multiple times. These are 100% genuine natural freshwater Baroque pearls. What I love most about this piece? The pearls are large, 13 to 15 millimeters, beautifully organic in shape, and have a gorgeous, lustrous sheen with lovely purple and warm tones. The clasp design is pure genius. It doubles as a stylish focal element that looks stunning worn in the front. You can even clip an extra charm or pendant onto it if you want, though the necklace is complete on its own. It's easy to fasten. As someone with long nails, I usually struggle with jewelry clasps, but this one can easily be fastened with either hand completely on my own. No assistance needed. If you want a unique, authentic pearl necklace that is as practical as it is beautiful, this is a fantastic choice. I could not be happier with it.